Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about lines and angles. Alright, so when we enter into the world of geometry, every shape which you see in your daily life and at any other place, they all start with a point. What is a point? It's just a dot which shows us a definite position. It starts with point, and a collection of set of points. Let's say this. Now let's say I join them in a straight way. I get a line. Now you must be thinking about why I have put these two arrows here. This arrow shows that the line is extending here. This shows here line is extending here as well. Though I can't express it on board, neither we can express it on page. That's why we denote it like this with two arrows. These two arrows shows that a line is going to infinite direction in both of the directions. Alright? And let's say you cut a part of it. Let's say this much part. Let's say this is the point C. This is point D. Let's say I cut this much part. I bring it down. This part. This CD part. This is a line segment. Line segment. Okay, when we talk about line, it does not have any end point. If you will see, because it is extending in both the direction, it does not have any end point. So, no end point. When we talk about line segment, it has two end points. Okay, then we have another term which we call ray. What happens in that? You must have seen a torchlight, alright? So let's say when you turn it on, you switch it on, then what happens? Let's say this is torch, and light will emit from here and it will go to the other direction in which I will face it, alright? It has a starting point from where the line is getting originated, and then it is going to infinitely in the other direction like this. It has a starting point, then it goes to the other direction like this. So such example will be called as ray. And if you will notice, it has one starting point, one end point we can say, which is the nothing but the starting point of the ray. It has one end point. So that is the main difference between line segment and ray. Okay. Now we have heard of angles as well. What are angles, how they are formed? This is a ray, let's say. There is another ray which starts from the same point, let's say from here. Now the angle is getting formed. Alright, let's say there are two lines or two line segments. Then also angle are being formed. This angle, this is also an angle. 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 So when you are going to denote line, let's say this is A, this is B, then you can denote it by this arrow on both the sides. When you denote line segment, let's say this is CD, then you are going to denote it with CD, or you can put a bar over it. Both are the same things. Alright, let's say this is point A and this is B. You are going to denote a ray, then A, B, arrow in the one direction itself. Okay, and these are angles. That's how angles are formed.